Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have another review. This was a long time review. Let's talk about the Beats Solo Pro, which I had for a year nearly. And it's time for a long review because I use these headphones every single day since I had it. And now it's time for review. These headphones, they came in 2019, and since then there was a lot of changes, a lot of companies, brands. So in today's video I'll talk about these headphones, and I'm gonna tell you why you should buy these headphones right now, because this is the perfect moment to buy these headphones right now. Let's talk about the build quality about these headphones. They are not for everyone. Some people love them, some people don't. The build quality for me is alright. I'm used to it already. I use them every day. They're made from plastic, but it's made from hard plastic. They're comfortable. Don't get me wrong. They pinch your ear after a couple of hours. But other than that, the build quality is alright. I mean, I don't have any massive complaints about the build quality. I wish the ear cups was a little bit bigger, but the plastic, obviously after 30-40 minutes you start to have some problems. But I'm used to it. I'm happy with the build quality. The adjustment here that goes up and down just to find your spot, it's very well built. This doesn't slide very easy, so this is very good. I didn't have any problems. Sometimes I need to have like to put a little bit more pressure, but other than that I didn't have any issues with these headphones. The build quality is alright. They're comfortable. I mean, end of the day I didn't have any issues. I do like the way that they fold. The only problem is that there's no switch off and on. This is the only issue with these headphones. But other than that, they are okay. They are very good actually. They charge with Lightning, obviously H1 chip. They're very, very good with an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you don't need the app. Connects automatically. This is amazing. This is nice. Sound quality is very, very good. I'm so used to it about these headphones. Sound quality is very nice. I enjoy the sound quality. The bass is very good. No complaints about the sound quality. The sound quality is nice. I do like this color. They comes in different colors. They're lightweight, easy to travel with. They're very nice headphones, and especially now after nearly 4 years. We had 2022. I know they came in 2019. This is the perfect buy right now, and you can buy these headphones for £100 in some websites. Obviously, they're gonna be refurbished, used. But the reason to buy these headphones is the ANC. The ANC on the headphones are amazing. So if you don't have, let's say, £250, £300 to spend for expensive headphones, if you want something like very, very well, I mean, if you buy headphones just for the ANC, this is the headphones to buy, because the ANC is excellent. When I say excellent, it's excellent. Obviously, I don't have the Sony MDR, what is MDR Mark 3, 4, 5. Obviously, they're one of the best ones to compare. But when I put these headphones, I use them when I watch movies, music, traveling as well. I also try them on my holiday in the plane. They are amazing. They are very, very nice. So if you're buying headphones, especially for the noise cancelling, and if you don't want to spend like £200, you should buy these headphones. Believe me, you're not going to be disappointed, because the noise cancelling is going to be nice. Also, if you have an iPhone, they compare very well. You don't need the app. If you have an Android, you need to download the Beats app for iOS, for Android. But other than that, they are very, very lovely headphones, especially the price, about 120, 130 pounds. Very nice. Some of the specifications about these headphones, obviously, they're very lightweight, 230 grams, 267 grams, 40 millimeter drivers inside, Bluetooth 5.0. You have 22 hours with ANC on and 40 hours without the ANC. So the ANC is very, very nice. You're gonna be happy with these headphones. Like I said, I use them every single day and I didn't have any problems. I know some people was complaining. They're always complaining. I understand. In the beginning, I was complaining as well. When I started to use them every day, and I started to feel very uncomfortable. But when you get used to it, I'm okay now. I don't feel any problems because my ears are already used to it. My head is already used to it. But overall, I'm very happy about the headphones. The sound quality is very good. The noise cancelling is excellent. And the price is perfect timing now, especially Black Friday now is coming, holidays, and there's gonna be a lot of options there. But definitely, I recommend this Beats Solo Pro bargain. Very good headphones. Definitely recommend them. So there we have it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, hit me up, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.